Hi everyone, this is Dr. Somasekhar Rao, Senior Consultant Gastroenterologist and Hepatologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Hitec City. We are doing a program called GAPS, or precisely Bridge the Gaps. I would like to explain what is GAPS here. Gastroenterology and Hepatology updates for physicians and surgeons. So we would like to do this program on March 24th, and this will be a continuous program to enrich the knowledge and have a fruitful discussion with our gastroenterologists, with all the physicians and surgeons. So we are doing it in parts, and the first part we are calling it as GAPS 1.0, which is going to happen on 24th of March, and the topic would be exclusively about liver diseases. It's going to be an interactive session where we will be presenting you multiple cases, and we will be discussing about multiple issues in different aspects of gastroenterology and hepatology. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all for our program Bridge the Gap. Thank you.